Apple is looking to expand its manufacturing outside of China. Apple Incorporated has informed several of its contract manufacturers that it intends to boost manufacturing outside of China, according to the Wall Street Journal, which cited individuals familiar with the subject. India and Vietnam, which are currently manufacturing facilities for Apple, are on the company's alternative list, according to the source. Apple forecasted worsening supply issues last month as COVID-19 restrictions hampered manufacturing and demand in China. Apple cites China's tough anti-COVID stance and other factors for its decision, according to the article. Apple refused to comment to the Wall Street Journal, and Reuters was unable to quickly contact the company on Saturday.